Are you okay?
I think I'm getting a cold.
Sure it's not a case of mansion flu?
Oh, very good. Ow.
You're in awful condition. Has your landlord done an inspection lately?
What's an inspection?
I see. Have your tenants brought it up?
They've coughed a bit, if that's what you mean.
Do they open your windows once in a while? Because they're supposed to.
I think they're all painted shut. Hang on, I'll try to force one of them open. Oh no, they're not moving.
Mine work fine.
My piles are playing up as well.
Oh, you poor thing. If you're a landlord, you should do regular inspections and must maintain the property in a reasonable state. Make sure there are working smoke alarms, heating and drainage. Make sure it can be adequately ventilated and insulation complies with the regulations. And tenants, you need to keep the place tidy and clean. Get some fresh air into it, leave the smoke alarms where they are and tell the landlord if something's wrong, like blocked drains or sticky windows, okay? There's more info at tenancy.govt.nz.